Hello. This lesson is for music class at Madison Christian School for the second and third graders. And today we're going to learn a song form. And before we do this, I want you to go gather some objects around your house. It doesn't really matter what you get, but the important thing is you need to have 4 of the same thing. So maybe you want to grab 4 spoons, or if you have Easter eggs around your house already, maybe 4 Easter eggs or something like that. But then I want you to grab 3 things that are very different. So let's say we're using utensils. So you can grab 4 spoons, and then I want you to get something very different from that, like maybe a pencil, and then maybe one of your toys, and then something very different from that, like a stapler or something. So I want you to grab 4 things that are all the same, and then 3 things that are very different from the first 4 things and from each other. Okay, I'm using pieces of paper. So I have 4 pieces of red paper, and then I have a green piece of paper, a gold piece of paper, and a purple piece of paper. So you can pause the video and go do that right now, okay? Okay, so the first thing now, you should have all of your items. You can set those aside for right now. I just wanted you to get them and have them ready. I'm going to teach you a little song, and then I want you to listen for that little song in this piece of music that we're going to listen to. So this is called the Viennese musical clock, and it usually doesn't have words with it, but sometimes we, just like Beethoven's Wig, we like to put words with the music just to help us remember the little tune. So this is what I want you to remember. This is the little tune that we're going to hear a lot today, okay? It goes like this. Arms go up and down, the wheel goes round and round. We're keeping the beat, we're moving our feet, we're coming around again. Arms go up and down, the wheel goes round and round. We're keeping the beat, we're moving our feet, we're showing the rondo form. Rondo, that's what we're learning today, okay? And the rondo form goes like this. A, B, A, C, A, D, A. Now we've talked about song form in class before, so you guys know that A is different from B, and that would be different from C and different from C, or C and D. So, but you see that the A part of the song keeps coming back, and that means that this part of the song is very similar to this part and this part and this part. And notice how there's 4 of them. That's why I had you grab 4 of the same thing, and why I have 4 pieces of red paper. But we'll get to that again. So that's called a rondo. Now let's sing this little part again, okay? Arms go up and down, the wheel goes round and round. We're keeping the beat, we're moving our feet, we're coming around again. Arms go up and down, the wheel goes round and round. We're keeping the beat, we're moving our feet, we're showing the rondo form. Okay, so let's do it with actions this time. Okay, ready? Arms go up and down, the wheel goes round and round. We're keeping the beat, we're moving our feet, we're coming around again. Arms go up and down, the wheel goes round and round. We're keeping the beat, we're moving our feet, we're showing the rondo form. Now I'm going to play the Viennese musical clock, and that comes from the Harry Hanyos suite. And I want you to listen for that part in the music. And we're just going to listen this first time, okay? This is the introduction. Now, we're going to listen to it again, and this time, we're going to follow this listening map, okay? So, you know when that started, I said, here's a little introduction, and it kind of sounded like a big clock chiming. So that's our introduction. We're going to follow the clock around, okay? So there's the introduction, then there's our A section, and you heard that. Arms go up and down, that little tune. Then it was different, then it came back again, then it was different, and it was even different from the B section. And then that part came back again, and then it was another different section, and then the A part came back again, and then it ended with something called a coda, and that was just like a little ending, okay? So there's an introduction and a coda, and then the rondo form is in between there, okay? So I'll point as we go, and you can try and guess too when we're going to be getting to it. Take your items, and I'm going to take my pieces of paper, and as we listen to it one more time, we're going to put up the pieces of paper as we hear the different sections, and you can put down your items in like a line on the floor if you want to do that. I'm going to just put mine in a line up here on the board, okay? I have to check one thing real quick. Okay, so here we go. We're going to listen to it one more time. Different. All right, so that's the Rondo form, and when you come back, or maybe online, I'll be asking you some questions about it. So you can always rewatch the video if you didn't understand, and you can always email or call me too. Bye-bye.